This is it, the last round of maintenance for my 1994 Toyota MR2 Plus build in this garage. It's been a journey, this car has come a long way, and today I'm finishing up the little things that make a big difference in a daily driver. I found an old firewall mount insert that we're going to be putting in today. So let's get ready for some tight spaces, awkward bolts, some good old home garage problem solving. So let's get into it, guys. Let's go. If you daily an MR2, you know the importance of tightening things up. Today's goal is simple: less engine movement, better shifting, more solid driving feel. I've got the car up on jack stands, tools ready, and we're ready to dive into straightening this up. First up, motor mount inserts. These stiffen up the stock mount, reducing engine movement, which makes the feel of the car a little bit more solid. Now, everyone knows working in a home garage means tight spaces, awkward angles, and creative tools. This isn't a shop with a lift, so gotta make it work. With these in, the engine moves way less. You'll feel it in the shifting, the throttle response, and even under braking. Definitely a must-have for a daily driver. This mount takes tons of abuse in a mid-engine car. Over time, it just gets sloppy, and that's when you start feeling the weird drivetrain movements. This should really clean up how the car shifts and responds to power. I'm really curious to see how it feels. And yeah, I feel a difference right away. Shifts are tighter, the throttle even feels a little bit sharper. The whole car feels way more solid. You can definitely feel it in the cabin. Honestly, this was one of those small mods with a big impact, and in a home garage setup, it's totally doable with the basic tools. This might be the last time you see me wrench on this MR2 in this garage, but this isn't the end of the journey, guys. I built this car for a reliable daily driver, and now I finally got it. Drop a comment down below. What's your number one mod for your daily driver? I want to hear it. I want to hear your thoughts. Make sure you drop a line down below. And always like, share, subscribe for more MR2 content, guys. See you next time. on the next one. Peace. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.